All right, good morning guys. So today is July 17th and none of you guys knew this ahead of time, but I'm about to fly home for a week. Sam has his family vacation and I didn't want to be alone in LA for a week. So I also really miss my family and everything, so I'm gonna go visit them. But the plot twist is that my mom doesn't know I'm coming home, so I'm gonna try my best to like record her reaction to everything. It's pretty early right now, and we're just like packing last minute stuff, getting ready to head off to LAX. Alright, so we made it through security and we're getting breakfast right now. My stomach feels like really weird right now though, so I don't know if I should eat, but I feel like I should. Like, I don't want to eat, but I feel like I should eat. But I don't know, my stomach's been like really weird all morning and I don't know. Sam thinks I'm nervous, but I don't feel nervous. And I'm 20 years old, I know what it's like to feel nervous. But I'm just gonna enjoy my smoothie, I guess. I don't think that's how you're supposed to wear those, Sammy.
This is exactly how you wear them.
Yeah? You're just a trendsetter, aren't you?
Indeed I am.
Also, this is the point in my life that I have reached, playing Sims in LAX.
Okay, you need to remove something or we
Should I put it on?
First and check your bag. One spot, there you go. Have a good trip.
Thank you.
It has to be able to fit in. So not this way.
Thank you.
Are you scared? No. Me neither. I'm positive I'm not scared. Isn't that something? Sammy's on the phone with his dad, but we just had a layover in Phoenix and now we're getting on the long flight. So this one's gonna be like 4 hours and then we're gonna be in Pittsburgh. The sun's setting. Literally looks like cotton candy right now. I think what I'm most excited for is number 1, surprising my mom. That's like number 1. 2, I miss my dog like heck, like so much. And then I'm also really excited to drive my car. That's like such a really like random thing. But Sam and I are sharing a car out here and he has an SUV and I've never really liked SUVs, so I'm excited to drive my little Jetta again. And then other than that, oh, Brayden doesn't know that I'm coming home either, so I'm gonna surprise her tomorrow. So I'm gonna surprise my mom in the morning and my grandma. My grandma, I think, is gonna like come over. My sister is trying to set that up. So I'm gonna surprise my family in the morning. My sister and my brother already know. And then I'm not gonna post anything on Instagram, which sucks because I really wanna surprise Brayden. And then once she finds out, then like, I'll be posting about this on Instagram and everything. So it's really sucked like not being able to post about it today. Like pictures at the airport and stuff, but all right, let's get our bags. Okay guys, it's go time. It is 7:22 in the morning and I'm trying to text my sister right now because she's the one that's letting me into the house because I don't want to go through the front door because then my dog's gonna bark. So my sister's supposed to let me in the back door and she's not answering her phone, so I really hope that she doesn't ruin this. But basically what I'm gonna do is go in, and my bedroom's on the main floor of the house, so I'm just gonna like go into my room. Sam's with me, and I'm just gonna like wait for my mom to come downstairs. She coincidentally is not going to work today, so she's not gonna be getting up until a little bit later than usual, but I'm just gonna like wait for her to come downstairs and I'm gonna wait for her to be in the kitchen, and then I'm just gonna like walk in, I guess, and surprise her. So we're gonna have to be really quiet because I have a small house and Oh, that got bright. I'm like out of breath right now. But anyways, we have a small house. We're gonna have to be like really quiet so my mom doesn't hear me. But yeah, I'm so nervous right now. Like my stomach feels really, really weird. I couldn't sleep last night, but that's mostly just because of like the time difference. Because I was up until like 2. I spent the night at Sam's, obviously, so that like she wouldn't know I was home. But like I'm on California time still, so it felt like it was 11. But yeah, I'm rambling right now because I'm nervous, even though I have nothing to be nervous about. I just really hope someone didn't or will not ruin this. So I'm so excited. Okay, it's like super, super bright right now, but we had a slight change of plans. So I finally got a hold of my sister, and she said that she hasn't really heard my mom like up or like walking around or anything yet. So what we're gonna do is wait for my mom to get in the shower, and then once my mom's in the shower, then my sister's gonna let us in, because I'm gonna go in through the back door, and my mom's bathroom overlooks the backyard, so she's like in there getting ready and stuff after her shower. I'm just like really worried that like she would see us. We're at Starbucks right now to kill time, and I promised my sister Starbucks for helping me with this. So we're gonna get the drinks. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. What do you think, Sammy?
I'm not nervous.
I'm so nervous. Like so nervous. Like I'm probably not gonna drink or eat anything right now. Like I'm probably gonna wait until everything's said and done, because I don't want to throw up. I don't even know why I'm so nervous. Whenever I get nervous, I just kind of like, I just like mutter and I say a bunch of random stuff. On another note, it's so weird being home and like driving around, because it's been 2 months and I've never been away from here for nearly that long. So it is so good to be back, even if it is only for a week. But all right, we're gonna order our beverages and then I will vlog when I get home. Okay guys, it is go time. My sister just texted me and said that my mom's in the shower, so we are about to go in the back door. I'm so scared right now, and I'm trying not to whisper because, I'm trying to whisper because it looks like my parents' bedroom door is or window is open, so I don't want them to hear. Oh my god, I'm so scared. And the neighbor's dog's barking. I hope my dog doesn't bark. Sister. Hi, sister. Shh. We have to be so careful. What up, mate? My room. I'm shaking right now. I'm so scared. It's your room. I know, but what if she hears us right now? Not right now, at least.
Is she putting stuff in the blender? It's up to you. Family vacation. You didn't want to be alone?
No. You reacted so fast. I thought you were gonna be over there.
That Pepper was in Caitlin's room.
Glad you thought I was the dog.
What's up, Miss Sunshine? Am I good to end it?
Sure. Alright guys, so that was a success, I'd say. I know you can't really tell in the video, but when I walked around the corner, my mom had the fridge open, and then she's the one that screamed, "What the hell?" But since you can't see my face, it kind of sounds like I'm the one saying it. I missed my dog so much. Oh, I missed her. That's my Bobby. That's my Bobby girl. She's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh, you are so precious. Anyway, so my mom and my sister are at the bank. I'm gonna shower really quickly, and then they're gonna be spending the day shopping for my sister's dorm stuff with my grandma. So they're gonna be going to pick my grandma up, and I'm gonna go with them, surprise my grandma, and then unfortunately I can't drive my car right now, so I'm gonna take my mom's car, and then I'm gonna surprise Brayden in a little bit. Okay, so I showered and I got cleaned up. I didn't put on any makeup, and my hair, I didn't have time to wash it, so it's so dirty. That's why I just put it up in a bun. But I'm just waiting for my mom and my sister to get back from the bank, and then we're gonna go surprise my grandma, which I'm really, really excited about. I don't know how she's gonna react. I don't think she's gonna get as like yelly and like squealy as my mom did, but I still think that obviously she's gonna be very, very excited. So let's see what happens. Hello, Gino! If you want to record it. Is it recording?
It should be.
It is.
Say recording.
Gino!
Hi! Wow!
I was gonna ring the doorbell.
I saw you guys walking.
Hi.
Hi. Welcome back home. How's everything?
Good.
Good, good, good.
Okay, I'm turning. Grandma, you're in the vlog.
Oh, I'm in a vlog.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Hi.
We're going dorm room shopping for Caitlin. Hi, Grandma. Hi. Camille.
Good to see you.
Hi. Yeah. Caitlin, what are we getting today?
You not.
What are we getting today? What? Why are you hiding?
Everybody's.
No, it's an ad.
That's what I thought.
Oh, it's recording. Hey, everyone.
About dinner.
So,
Oh, he doesn't need to know.
I'm with Aaron. This is really weird. So we're gonna go to another store and shop for more dorm stuff. And I want to go home.
So do I.
Well, you want to go?
What?
You want to see your friend?
Yeah, I just want to go surprise Brayden.
The way that I'm gonna do it is I'm gonna. Don't get mad at me because I'm gonna use data. No, it's gonna be really quick. I'm gonna get to her house and I'm gonna FaceTime her and just say like, oh, like,
Aren't you connected to her Wi-Fi?
Well, that's what I'm hoping happens, that I just connect to her Wi-Fi once I get to her house. But I'm gonna FaceTime Brayden and I'm gonna say like, oh, like, what are you doing? Blah, 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 and hope that she asks me what I'm doing. And then I'm just gonna say like, oh, you know, I'm just in your driveway. It's a good idea.
Saturday and Sunday.
Okay, guys, so I'm done shopping with like my mom and my grandma and my sister, and I'm about to go surprise Brayden, who, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen me post pictures with her, but she's one of my best friends, and I didn't tell her that I was coming home, so I just turned onto her street. Don't worry, I'm not driving right now. Oh my god, I'm like shaking. I get so nervous. But anyways, I was texting her sister, so I know that she's home, and I'm basically just gonna go like ring the doorbell. I was thinking about FaceTiming her and then just saying like, oh, like what are you doing? Oh, I think I said that earlier when I was talking to my sister, like trying to just like casually bring up the fact that I was at her house. But I think I'm just gonna like ring the doorbell and hope that she doesn't see me like through a window or anything. Okay guys, so it's been a couple days since I vlogged, just because I've pretty much non-stop been like seeing friends, seeing family, like visiting the Ulta that I work at here, and like I got my eyebrows done today. So yeah, basically I've just been really enjoying being home. I'm in my car now, which makes me so happy. I know the other day I was saying that like I had to drive my mom's car, and that's because the like registration for mine expired, so we just had to wait until like we got that all taken care of. So I've been driving my car and it's been so good. I've really missed home, but we fly back in a couple days, so I'm just gonna like enjoy my time being home. I know that I haven't really been posting recently, and that's because I've like filmed a couple sit down like makeup videos and stuff, and I'm just never like happy with them. So hopefully like being here for a little while kind of like clears my head, and then once I go back to LA I can like film a lot of really good videos and stuff while I'm still there, because like I want to take advantage of it as much as possible, like while I'm still there and everything for the summer. But yeah, I just wanted to like formally end the video since I like never did the other day and my vlog camera was in my car. So thank you guys for watching this video. I am really happy with how everything worked out with like surprising my family and Brayden, and I've just been having a lot of fun being home and seeing friends like all the time, because I don't really know many people out in LA. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, I will see you guys again in LA.